Hello guys, so we are going to program some more Python today. Okay, and we are going to learn more about comments. And we used the hashtag last time on comments part 1, so we are going to use the double quote for part 2 today. Okay, now first go shift and then press it 2 times. Okay, there you go. Now press return and then just print first line comment. Okay, now return, then second line comment. Okay, now we're gonna do space again and then the third line comment. Okay, this okay, there you go. Now we're going to press this gonna press this and then return and then we're gonna print. Okay, now shift and then we're going shift 9 and then shift and then shifting. Okay, now we're going to put above lines are multiple line comments. Okay, now go file, now go save all, now go 004 comments part 2. Now we're going to go run 004. Okay, now it's like this. Above lines are multiple line comments. Okay, so thank you guys for watching and then hopefully you subscribe and like. Bye bye.